At SmartKits Australia, what we like to do is we supply prefabricated decks, patios and carport kits all over Australia so that our DIY champions can improve their homes at the best value for money. We know it's hard to find builders in Australia, and we know that a lot of people are very motivated to try and improve their own lifestyles themselves. So what we worked out was that it was a great idea to supply people with the right products to do that. And being a building company that already dealt in those products made it really easy for us to identify the best way to help you achieve your outdoor lifestyle. SmartKits was really born out of necessity. What we noticed back in the 2010s, 2011s was that a lot of people were starting to look for material prices only, not necessarily trades. And when we saw all of those Bunnings stores with those big boxes develop all over Australia, we knew that there was a market for people that wanted to buy these type of products, and you couldn't quite just go down the hardware store and buy them. So we went, well, we're already supplying and installing these products for people. Why don't we put a product offer together and see if people would want to buy a prefabricated kit to build themselves? And little did we know back then that that humble offering of, hey, we can supply you with materials and do it yourself, would turn into the thing that it is today, which is hundreds and hundreds of kits, every month nationally, all over Australia, building dreams and lifestyles for everybody.